No matter how large or small, your company should always provide an equal opportunity and diverse culture. There are guidelines, federal guidelines on the size of your company that where you have to be more compliant than other sizes. However, start off at the beginning of your business providing the equal opportunity and diversity, and you'll find out that your business will grow and prosper beyond what your original goals were. And the way you do this is you set this in your corporate culture and your policies, and you ensure right at the beginning when you go to hire somebody that you are not biased based on any type of discriminators, that you provide openly an equal opportunity for them to qualify for that position. And then what you do is you look at who is the best candidate to meet that qualification. That's who you hire, and you don't base it on any other thing but that. And if you do that and you start off at the beginning, you will already have met the first piece of equal opportunity and diversity. And the second piece of it is as your company grows and evolves, ensure that everybody has an opportunity to grow with the company on an equal basis. For example, is if you have a woman in your company, a man in your company, that they both have the same opportunity to grow. If you have any other different, a person with disabilities or not disability, a person without disabilities, they both have the equal opportunity to grow in your company based on their merit and their position and their interest in growing with the company.